Highest paying programming languages to learn in 2023. 1. Zig, average annual $. And Zig is a programming language designed to assist programmers in creating robust, effective, and reusable software. Zig strikes a balance between loans. 2. Erlang, average annual salary, $99,492 and building big, distributed systems that need great scalability, high availability, and quick performance is a good use for the programming language Erlang. Ericsson initially created Erlang in the middle of the 1980s to construct communications systems. 3. F#, average annual salary, $99,300. Form programming language called F# is built for performance, functionality, and interoperability. In addition to offering seamless interoperability with other .NET languages like C#, F# runs on the .NET framework and lets you target web and mobile through JavaScript compilation. 4. Ruby, average annual salary, $98,522 and Ruby is a dynamic, open-source programming language that prioritizes simplicity and productivity. Yukihiro Matsumoto developed it in the middle of the 1990s, and it has become popular for web development, scripting, and general-purpose programming. 5. Clojure, average annual salary, $96,381 and a scripting language's simplicity and interaction are combined with a compiled language's effectiveness and resilience to create the programming language Clojure. It has simple access to Java frameworks and excels in multi-threaded development. The programming language Clojure is mostly functional and is a dialect of Lisp. It provides software transactional memory and reactive agent systems for when a mutable state is required. If the content is useful, please subscribe and follow.